Let's look at the difference between the count nouns and non-count nouns. The count noun, actually you can count it. For example, a car, one car. Cars, using S, it means 2 cars, 3 cars, 10 cars. A book, okay, is a singular form. The plural form with S is books. It means 2 books, 3 books. An apple, 1 apple. Apples, 2 apples, some apples. 100 apples. In this side, we have non-count nouns. Non-count nouns that don't take an S. For example, traffic. If you have 20 cars on the street, you can say there are 20 cars. Or there is a lot of traffic. Okay? Information is non-count nouns. Fruit. Here we have apples that are fruit. Actually, you can say there are some fruit. But here, for fruit, because it's non-count noun, you have to say there is some fruit. With count nouns, in the singular form, you can say there is a car, there is a book, there is an apple. In the plural form, you can say there are 5 cars, there are 5 cars. There are some books. There are a couple of books. There are 10 apples. With non-count nouns, to describe something, you can say there is traffic, there is information, there is fruit. And of course, the contraction for there is theirs. Another difference between the count nouns and non-count nouns is in making the question. With count nouns, you want to say how many cars are there. With non-count nouns, you use how much. How much, for example, fruit is there. To make the negative with count nouns, you can say there aren't many cars. There aren't many books. There aren't many apples. If I say there aren't many cars, it means there are just 5 cars or maybe 6 cars. If you want to show 0, okay, 0, you could say there aren't any books. It's 0. To make the negative with non-count nouns, you can say there isn't much traffic. If you have 5 or 6 cars on the road, so you can say there isn't much traffic. There isn't much information. You have a small amount of information. There, if you want to show zero, okay, zero for non-count nouns, you can say there isn't any fruit, means zero fruit.